how you are able to shoot a Q-tip out of a Red Ryder BB gun. So what you do is take a Q-tip, take one end off like this right here, and shove this piece right here in the barrel. So the white end where the cotton's at on the barrel. In the barrel. So just like this, you shove it in the barrel, and you want about that much hanging out of it. So here are the results. I am going to try to shoot that smart water bottle. So, here we go. And warning, if you do hit somebody with this, it does hurt. It does leave like a mark. It does leave a mark, just like you shoot airsoft guns. So here's the results. Here's the Q-tip. So we're going to do it again. Same thing like we did the first time. Except for this time, we're going to find something else to shoot at. Like that can right there. So, there's the results. Alright, peace out.